Lume Cube Flex Light Pro Honest Review. Real results for artists and creators. Have you ever squinted under a ring light trying to match a client's skin tone, only to realize the color is completely off under natural light? That was me mid-session, ink already committed, second-guessing everything. It is genuinely stressful. If your lighting is lying to you, every decision built on it is a gamble. Drop a comment if that sounds familiar. That low-grade pressure of never fully trusting your light source builds quietly, then hits all at once. You try repositioning the ring light, adjusting your phone camera, tilting a desk lamp, and still end up with one shadowed side and one blown-out highlight. None of it actually solves anything. But what if the fix was not more light, just smarter light? Don't just pick any portable LED lamp. Make sure it has dual independent panels with 96 plus CRI so you never suffer inaccurate color rendering or stubborn shadows ruining your precision work again. That shift in thinking is exactly what led me to the Lume Cube Flex Light Pro. I found it almost by accident while searching for a lighting upgrade before a packed booking day, and I genuinely did not expect it to change my workflow this fast. Here is what surprised me. 2 edge-lit panels, each with 128 LEDs and built-in diffusion, sit on independent 11-inch flexible gooseneck arms that bend to almost any angle. The panels rotate 270 degrees, so you eliminate shadows from every direction without repositioning your entire setup. The color temperature adjusts from 3000 Kelvin all the way to 6200 Kelvin, covering warm, neutral, and cool tones with one smooth dial. The 96 plus CRI means what you see under this light is what the world actually sees. Let me be honest. The smart memory function that retains your last settings every single session is quietly one of the most useful features here. Results may vary based on your specific workspace and session type. After consistent daily use, the workflow shift becomes genuinely noticeable. Sessions feel calmer because the guesswork disappears. You set your panels once, and the Lume Cube Flex Light Pro remembers exactly where you left it. A professional reviewer from Photo Focus awarded it Editor's Choice, specifically highlighting the soft, pleasing light quality and premium metal construction that inspires real confidence. An industry analyst noted the 96 plus CRI color accuracy as a standout advantage in portable lighting, particularly for beauty and tattoo professionals, where true color rendering directly impacts results. A miniature painting specialist who bought a second unit for their studio described it as essential for professional commission work, noting zero eye strain during extended detail sessions. One lash artist shared that shadow elimination completely changed the consistency of their work across long client days. Now, if you're wondering whether the price is justified, think of it this way. You are replacing a ring light, a separate desk lamp, and a clip-on phone mount with one cohesive system that actually solves the core problem. Fair point though, it does require AC power, so it is not fully cordless for outdoor use. Ask yourself this, how many bookings would better lighting protect each month? That answer probably makes the decision straightforward. Let's bring this home. With the Lume Cube Flex Light Pro, your workspace finally reflects the standard your work deserves. Accurate color, zero shadows, and complete control without rebuilding your setup every session. Thousands of tattoo artists, lash professionals, beauticians, and content creators are already using this portable dual LED system as their daily go-to lighting solution. The affiliate link is waiting in the description and pinned comment. And yes, I do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Go check it out and see if it fits your craft.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.